Sooner or later, every building needs work done, and every contract affects the money owners contribute, which makes choosing the right provider a decision that matters. A good strata manager will draw on trusted providers and make a genuine effort to find the right fit. But when the process only considers a familiar network, the committee may never know what other strong options were available. Committee members are busy, reading long contracts, chasing documents through email chains, comparing different quotes, and tracking decisions over time can make it hard to know which provider is truly the right choice. It's easy to leave the decision to the strata manager when the process is difficult, but blaming them for the outcome misses the point. The committee has both the responsibility and the authority to make the final choice. StrataBid helps your committee run a structured tender from start to finish. Define the work clearly, include providers you already know if you wish, and let StrataBid help find suitable additional providers. Keep every question, quote, and decision in one shared place. Behind the comparison is carefully applied AI. It reads each quote against a defined set of decision questions, brings the relevant answers into view, and clearly shows when information has not been provided. When every quote, question, and comparison is clear, the committee can make decisions with confidence, knowing the choice is supported by the information and designed to benefit the whole building. Your next tender is an opportunity to see the difference for yourselves. Start with StrataBid at no cost to your committee and see how much clearer, more transparent, and easier your next provider decision can be.